What's crack-a-lackin'? My name is Josh Lopez, one of the founding members at Memberstack, and today we're going to do 5 ways to show and hide content with Memberstack. All right, so the only thing I have prepared is the sticky note. Okay, way 1, links, data attributes, member-only content, member-specific pages, and front-end API. All right, before we get started, Molly, can you hear me? Let's see. Molly can hear me. I don't know. Maybe it's lagging. She's typing. Yes! Success! Yay! All right. Let's dive in. Okay, we got Memberstack here. And let's log in. Let's create an account first. All right, add new website. We're going to be using Webflow today. Oh, this is like the hardest part. What am I going to name this? How are we going to do this? What can take member-specific pages? Thinking. Got it. Okay, so Bob, markers, dev agency. Let's do no payments just for this example. All right, let's go. Okie dokie. Now we have this. We're gonna go to settings, install code. And now let's go to trusty Flamingo. Mackenzie, you're amazing. Let's get some hatch going. And clone project. Let's name this Parker's Dev Agency. Let's capitalize that because I'm a weirdo. There we go. Clone project. All right, then let me go ahead and move this into the Memberstack one real fast. Yeah, let's do this. Project settings. We're going to transfer to the team. And go back to the team. And there's a whole bunch of different things in here. Where is it? I think it's this one. I don't know why I didn't save the name, but oh well, we'll figure it out. Josh's Scratchpad. Let me just make sure real fast. Yeah, that's it. That has to be it. Okay, so let's go here. Ta-da! All right, let's turn this into an agency site and do all these 5 ways of showing and hiding content. So first we're gonna do project settings. Go in the custom code here. In the head code, we're gonna copy this. Get rid of that now. All right, and then we're gonna paste that in. All right, Memberstack is connected. Yes. Problem 1 solved. Okay, so designer. I can get rid of that. Okay, let's go ahead and add a membership. What should this? What should these memberships be? Let's add these as free memberships for now, because I don't want to get into Stripe. Small project, and then yeah, small project. This actually should. Yeah, let's just do paid. Let's just do paid. One time, small project. I don't think I need that. Okay, cool. $7,000 about a small project. No cancellation, no expiration. Taxes, page after sign up can be just the home page for now. Page after login. You can leave that. Yeah, sounds good. And then we're gonna have like let's do a big project as well. or a large project. And then this one's going to be what, $15,000, a one-time. So what I'm imagining, the reason why I'm doing this is, okay, so I'm trying to get like an estimate of about what a project would be. So when I was in my dev freelancer days, this would be about the project. And what I would do is, if I would set this as high, and then I would give the customer a coupon to go lower if I needed to go lower. But that was about my range here. So one time, this could be a home page here. All right, so we got two of these, and then what we're gonna do is maintenance. Let's add a maintenance recurring billing cycle. So we have the small and large project one-time fee, right? And then our goal is to get on like maintenance, so we can update the website and stuff like that, and charge them a monthly fee. So then the more clients you get, the better it is. It's good. This could be what, like $300 a month, monthly. No free trial. Setup fee. You can charge them to set up like a server or something like that. I'm not gonna do this stuff. Okay, so bam. Okay. Create membership. All right. So we got small project, large project, maintenance, all ready to go. Let's add a member real fast, just to make sure everything's working. I don't have any free memberships. Yes, we can't do that. Okay, so let's go back. Let's do this. Let's just make a admin maybe. Yeah, because we don't have paid imports or a way to do paid members yet from the dashboard. That's why I have to do this for now. All right, so free one, boom, create. But we're gonna make, yeah, small project as the default. We're good there. Now we can add a member. Just to add a member in here, add a member, admin, Josh at memberstack.com, and a password. Oh shoot, you guys can see that. That's okay. I don't use that anyways. But I do have a son named Zachary. Okay, so we got that all set up. And now we need to start making some content in here. Okay. So let's go here. Let's go to forms and fields. And add a custom. Let's just do full name. No, first name. Let's just do first name. First name field. For this test, or for this scenario, I'm just gonna do first name. Keep it simple. All right. So we got that. I don't think I need to create a custom form on this one. So what we'll do is first we'll use our links. Copy this link for the login. So let's do this. Let's call this login. Login. And we don't need to do that. Don't need that. Okay. That should be good to go. And then we're going to need a profile. But we'll keep this. I have to think in the future. Member specific pages. So we'll keep this blank for now. We'll just keep it there. What else we need? Log in, log out. Yep, and then copy this, paste that in there. We're gonna do the log out as, oh, you weren't supposed to see that. Log out and log out. Okay, need that. And what else we need? Log in, log out, sign up. Sign up. That's what we need. All right, and we can just do this. Bam. Sign up, and then our. Oh, you weren't supposed to say that. Sign up. I don't know why I keep on clicking on that. Sign up. Let's see, just do memberships. Do this sign up link. Copy the sign up link, and then sign up will be this. Okay, let's go ahead and publish this and just see where we're at, if everything's working. Molly goes whoop whoop. Okay, so now it's published. Let's go here. Yay! It's working. We don't have a profile yet, but you'll notice that the log out link is already hidden. It'll show as soon as we log in. Let's do a sign up real fast. My name is Bob. Bob at barker.com. Bob Barker. And oh sweet, I don't have to get my credit card out. Oh man, I didn't want to pay $7,000. Okay, so because we're in still test mode. Nope. All right, so now we're logged in. Now we can see the log out, but we see this sign up button. Let's see what we can do to that real fast, because we don't want to see the sign up after. I wonder, I don't think I've ever tried this. Let's go to forms. Let's go to links. Hide from. No, I don't think we can do this with a link yet, but we can do it with a data attribute. So let's skip ahead to the data attributes and hide this this sign up link. Okay, so this content is visible when a member logs in. Okay, copy that. Boom, sign up. We're gonna go and add a data attribute. Save. So only members, or only people who aren't members, should be able to see that. I think I did that wrong. I think I need an exclamation mark on that, but we'll find out. Yep. Okay. Let's do that. Save. Publish. And I got that from here. It was just the other one. See. Go. All right. Sweet. Boom, gone. Yay! Now I have a log out on the profile. Haven't touched the profile yet. What can we do with a link? To show and hide content with a link. Let's look through here. Let's go to links. Show and hide content. Okay, so actually, we should just try this one. We should try it. All right. Delete this. I don't know if this is gonna work. It would work if we had like a sign up page. Let's just do it. Let's get rid of this. To here, we're gonna clone this. Sign up. Actually, yeah, let's just do sign up. Create. Now I have the sign up page. And before I did that, what I should have done, I'm a dork sometimes. It's all good. Okay, I'm at home. Now I need this. What I need to do here is make it a symbol. Nav. I did this in my other video. I usually always remember to do this, but it looks like it's just one of those days today. So make a symbol, and this is gonna be footer. Now, if I edit this on any other page, it'll be the same. So what I could do is, since I didn't do anything to this yet, I can just delete it. And then clone this again. sign up, create, and then while I'm here, I'm going to clone this again, and this is going to be default profile. Default profile? That sounds good. All right, think in the future. Okay, now what we also want, I won't get into it right now. Okay, cool. So now we have the sign up page. And then what we'll do is, since this is linked to all those pages now, if I edit this, it'll edit on all of them, which is awesome. So, boom. This will be external URL / sign up, and then this, I believe. Let's see if this works. I've never actually used these before. These are really good for other website builders like Duda, Squarespace. That's where these links come in handy, because it's hard to add data attributes to elements in those platforms. All right, so I did publish that, right? I don't know. Okay, just to make sure. Log out, sign up. It goes to the sign up page. See, we're at the sign up page now. If I go back home, now we're back home, I can go to the sign up page. And then if I go here, to log in, bobbyparker.com, there we go. Bob Parker, I'm logged in. I don't see the sign up page. So this is working. Yay! Show and hide sign up link with a link. A Memberstack link. Sweet! We did it, you guys. We did it. All right. So next, data attributes. Data attributes is something I love. Data attributes are awesome. And I already showed you once, but let's do something else. How should we do this? Maybe we should set up the member-specific pages first, and then like dive into that. And how am I going to do member-specific pages? Usually, what everybody does is use Zapier for member-specific pages, but in this case, since we're a dev agency, right? Let's go ahead and give our clients their own specific pages. Instead of just using the CMS in Webflow, we're going to give them their actually like specific page that we can go and edit and put whatever content we want that's unique to that individual client. I've never done this either, so wish me luck. Okay, so first what we need to do is if we go here and we go to power-ups, I believe that's where this is, member specific pages, we're going to turn this on. Boop. We are now activated. I feel like Optimus Prime. And then what we need to do is hide a folder, because we're not going to do the CMS collection. So let's add a folder in here. In this one, we're going to do clients, because we're an agency, clients. This is on the fly, you guys. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so then we're going to take this default profile and move. There we go. Okay, so we have clients and we have a default profile in here now. And this is going to be like just the default profile until I, as the agency, can build a URL for a client. Oh, let me show you something else. So if I turn this off and I go to members, and then I look at this member, you'll notice that there's profile info, Bob, first name that I created earlier, and email address, nothing else. But if I go and turn this on, Yeah, I'll leave this blank for now. But if I turn it on and I go back, now we'll see the member page, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and start editing this. Power-ups, power-ups, member specific pages. I just created that folder, which is clients. So now everybody who goes to the site and they try to go that slash clients, anything in that folder is going to be hidden. Nobody can access it, which is cool. Gated content. It's really cool. Okay, so access denied page would just be the home page. We're going to leave this empty. All right, so let's use that. Let's go ahead and turn this on. This is going to send members to their page on login. This overwrites what's in the memberships. I see this come up in support all the time, where a customer will have page after login here. They'll try to go somewhere, but then they have the member specific page, and the member specific page will overwrite this this feature right here. So just keep that in mind when you're playing around. Okay, so now what we can do is I'm going to take this slug here, or URL, go to my members, and Bob Barker. I'm gonna paste that there. Why is this not pasting? Whoa. Did it not copy? It probably didn't copy. Copy. Let's copy this. There we go. URL does not exist. That's because I haven't published it. All right, sweet. That's going to stay there. Let's go ahead and publish this now. So then Memberstack can see it. Boom. Now if I refresh this, should be able to see it. Yep, I can see it now. Yay! Okay, so now let's test this out. If we will log out, log in, bob@barker.com, Bob Barker. What I'm gonna do right now is just look at this URL and see where we're gonna get going. Boom, clients default. Yay! Working. So then when somebody signs up, I'll make that like the default thing. You can do that in Zapier. In this case, so what you can do is when somebody signs up, you can go into Zapier, then set that default URL into their member information. But we won't do that today. So we're just going to do all this by hand. I don't want to get into Zapier today. Okay, so that's working. But let's say we want to create a specific page for this member. Let's go ahead and do that. Add new page. Bob's page. All right. We're going to need to actually, no. Discard changes. We're going to go here. We're going to duplicate this one because I want to keep all the hatch stuff. I don't want a new page. I just want to keep everything. And so it's going to be Bob's page. It's in the parent folder clients. This is going to be in there. So then I can create. And then Bob's page. I can copy this again. Instead of having the default now, I can just go in here, update that, and then it should be good to go. And I didn't publish this, that's why it had that error. So let me save this, publish, and refresh. Now it's working, sweet. Let's test it out. Always testing. Log in. Barker.com. Boom, clients, Bob's page. Yes. So now they have their own like specific page. Let's play around with this. Okay, forms and fields. Let's display their name. Nope, with this, okay. Data MS member, and then we're in Bob's page, so we can just do, yes. Welcome. Welcome. Client. Copy this. We're going to make this a span. I don't know if this will work or not. I think it will though. And then we're going to go in here, first name, boom, save. Now we're just taking the first name, we're going to put it in here. All right, and I'm thinking through things. All right, let's do this. Let's test this out. This should work. Let's find out. Okay, so refresh. Welcome, Bob. Yes. So that data attribute's working. Now let's say this client, we created this page. It has all the information for them. You know, all this is client information for them. But we want them to sign up for the maintenance thing, and they're not signed up yet. So maintenance, okay, sweet. And then what we're gonna do is we do a membership maintenance sign up link. Copy this. Boom. This is going to be this. Add that there. Okay. Publish. Refresh this. This is sign up for maintenance now. So right now, Bob already has the one-time fee for the project, and the maintenance is going to be a recurring membership. Memberstack members can only have one membership at a time right now. So this is just kind of like the flow that the client's going to have. So now let me test this. Okay, so I'm going to try to sign up for maintenance. I'm going to change my membership. So now I've changed my membership. Let's go ahead and test that out. See, I'm in maintenance right now, $300 a month. But I'm still seeing this maintenance button. But I'm already in maintenance. I don't want to confuse my clients. So what we're going to do is use member only content. This is a feature I really like, actually. So maintenance, we're going to do this. We're going to go to members only content. Now the interesting thing about this, maintenance, every single time I tell you. The really cool thing with members only content is you technically don't have to put anything in here. So we can actually just delete this, and we can just use this as a data attribute, which is super powerful. So let's do that and create. So you can notice that I only added that maintenance. I'm going to keep this how it is right now, but I only added that maintenance with no URLs. We're just going to use that as like a toggle kind of thing. So let's turn this on for small projects. Let's turn this on for large projects. So then when the member is in your on your site, and they have either one of these. Well, let's turn it off of maintenance first. There we go. Boom. All right. So if they have either one of these, we're gonna have it show, and if it's not, then we're gonna do this one. So let's go ahead and hide this content now. Do this, and then do this, maintenance, save, publish. I might have gotten this backwards, but like I said, always testing. Okay. There we go. Now, when I refresh, it's not there. Let's go ahead and log out and log in. Bob at barker.com. Bob Barker. See, not there because I'm already in that maintenance membership. Let me go ahead and log out and sign up. Oh, you know what we have to do? Okay, I see. Let's go ahead and use this sign up link. Go to the sign up page because I want to show that like it's actually working for you people at home. Just use sign up. We're in the sign up page. I know I'm trying to keep on track because it is confusing because all the pages look the same right now. But I'm trying to work with you. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that here and publish this. And we're gonna try to sign up again with the small project and see if that button is actually showing. So, yep, sign up, boom, do this, Hank, and then Bob2 at barker.com, boom. $7,000, that's a lot for a project. Oh no. Nope. Okay. So now we went to, I didn't do the Zapier, so it doesn't go to the member specific page yet. So let's do, let's go ahead and update their info. I guess I could use the same one as Bob has for now. No, this is getting crazy. So let's just copy Bob's, put it in Bob2. Okay. And then let's do log out, log in, Bob2 at barker.com. Okay, so it's working now. See, we have signed up for maintenance. If I log out and log back in with Bob at barker.com, and it's gone because this user is already in that maintenance membership. It's so confusing. I'm hoping this can help somebody in the future, but it is confusing. I get it. Okay, so what else we got? We got data attributes. I added links, members only content, member specific page. Let's do something with the front end API now. What are we gonna do though? What can we do? Okay, so we got Bob's page here. He's obviously logged in on this one. Let's do Bob's page. Yes. Okay. Got it. Let's change this text with the front end API based on the membership ID. Yeah, let's do it. Like I said, I don't have any of this prepared. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this as is for now, but we're going to hide it. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna leave this as is. We're going to add an ID to this. So this is going to be client text. Okay, so we have client text now in here as an ID. And what we're gonna try to do is, I'm trying to plan this out. We're gonna take this client ID and we're gonna change the inner HTML of this based on the membership ID they have. I want to be able to edit this and play around with this in Webflow. So what I would usually do, because there's a delay with Memberstack sometimes, because Memberstack has to run when the page is loaded. I don't want it to flash. So what we'll do, a lot of people will do this and they'll hide it, but then you can't get to it here. So I'm not going to do it that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the page. I'm going to add a style here. Style. Close the style. Since an ID, I'm going to use a hashtag. And then do this. And then we're going to do display none. So we're going to hide it. So let's go ahead and just test this real fast. And then take a sip of my coffee. I love coffee. Everybody on the team knows this. Okay, so it's not showing. Let's go ahead and get into the code here. Okay, so we have client text. What's in Webflow is still here. See? And the ID is there. So now we can play around with some code for that. But also, this text is still here, and we can play around with this. That's a little tip for you. What I do when I'm playing around with Webflow, if I want to hide something, but also see it in the designer. Okay, so we're gonna need the front end API. So let's go to the Help Center. All right, so we have the front end API here. What are we going to do? Let's go ahead and copy this and go in here. Before I do that, I'm going to do that just so I can remember that this ID is here. Okay, pause page. I'm going to add a script in here. Script. I'm going to paste this in, and then I'm also going to do. I'm going to get this this text here. Let me show you a cool trick. I know there's a lot of no code people, and I know the code is scary, but let me try to do this without using my knowledge of code as much as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. And then I use the console to open up the console. Control-Shift-C for PC, Command-Shift-C for Mac, and then what I'm going to do is hit this, go here. I'm going to find that client text. You can also do a control. All the shortcuts are I just do them. Control F, and I can find that that client text here. So if I go client and then text, it should find two of them, one for the CSS, one for the actual element itself. Okay, so if you right click on this, this is what a lot of people don't know. If you right click on this and then copy JS path, right? So now if I paste this in here, it's actually going to use this code here, look for it on the page. Now, if I push enter, I can actually see it. So I know this is working. So what I can do here is let is like to set up like a variable. So let client text equals, and then I'm going to paste this in. So now we can access this right here with this client text variable or text, you know, like text thing. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is here we're gonna go if. Okay, I know I said I wouldn't use code that I just know off the top of my head. If you Google an if statement, you'll find this information. So if bam bam bam, we're gonna you know, open close this if statement. If the membership ID, so we're gonna take this, paste this. Actually, I want to be like totally transparent with you guys. So let's do this. Let's do console. If you do console.log, you're able to show this in the content. I'll show you this in a second. So let's go ahead and just keep it like this for now. Save it, publish it, and I'll show you what like the code behind the scenes is gonna see. That way you can kind of understand what's going on. Okay, so if I refresh this page now, the console.log, if I go to console right here, so here's the elements that was just in console. Now I can see what's in here. And this is the what was that? Membership, right? Membership, okay. So membership is different from the member. So I want the ID here. And I'll show you also. Like name is maintenance, ID is this. So the user is in the maintenance mode, right? So if membership ID, now I can get rid of this is equal to, I believe this is a string, so I need to here, yeah, it's as a string. Everything's like a string in web Memberstack. Okay, so if that is this, then I'm going to take the client.text and then JS inner HTML. I spelled that wrong, but if you look up, if you Google anything like to change text somewhere, everybody's going to be using it like inner HTML. So this is a little bit of an example. So I'm just going to copy that because we already have this, and this is the variable. So I could just add this part into here. So boom, and then what I'm going to do, since I know that, there's two of them in there, boom. I know that this membership ID is the maintenance. So what I'm going to do is just thank the customer or the client for maintenance, I told you every single time. And then else. So if it's this, which is the maintenance, or if else, here, use if statement JS. All right. So I'm getting it from here. If condition, else. So I'm trying to be transparent with everything I'm doing. So if it's this, do this. Otherwise, do this. There you go. And then, so if it's not that, then I'm going to change the client text to please purchase maintenance, maybe? Please purchase maintenance. And then I get rid of all this because I'm not doing anything with this down here. Clean it all up. So this is like a very short front-end API thing I'm doing. I'm really nervous. Hopefully this works. Cross your fingers. Take a drink of coffee. All right. So let's go here. Inner HTML null. Oh no. What's going on? I know exactly what's going on. So this inner HTML, this script right here, is actually running before it can find this element. So let's do this. And this happens a lot. I see it in support. I'm gonna add it to the bottom of the body. So everything is on the page before this runs. So it can actually find it. Hopefully this fixes that issue. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna look like a fool. But that's okay, because like I said, this is off the fly. Boom. All right. So now what we can do is, and I know what's going on for the other thing. See, thank you for purchasing maintenance, but it still has this display none in here. So if I click this off, it actually shows. So what we need to do is, once that is changed, we need to show it. So if I go to JS change style, change in CSS, we already have this information. We're gonna take this style dot color, but we're gonna do style dot display equals block, because right now this is a block element. So let's go here, but we know that it's working, so that's awesome. And boom, and then we're gonna do cell display block, and then we're gonna take this right here, because we're gonna do we're gonna do this to this element, and then we're also going to do it down here. Okay. Now that's going to be showing once it changes, so there's no flash. Another coffee. Cross your fingers. Yes. Whoop, whoop. Okay. So now this says thank you for purchasing maintenance. Let's go ahead and log out, and we'll log into the other Bob. Bob at no, Bob, was it 2? Bob 2? Let me just make sure. Members, Bob 2. Aha! That was right. Please purchase maintenance. Working front-end API. What? Okay. Okay, so we will work with links, data attributes, members-only content, member-specific pages, and the front-end API. All 5 of them, we showed and hid content, all the fun things. if you have any questions, actually, Molly, is there any questions? I should ask Molly real fast. There's a delay, so I have to wait. I don't think Molly's still watching. Maybe she fell asleep. It's late over there. It's snowing here. Molly, is there any questions? Okay, while I wait for that, you guys, let me show you a little secret. Behind the scenes. Hopefully I don't get fired for this. Please don't fire me. Okay, so Molly said not so far, no questions. So, oh man, I hope I don't get fired for this. Okay, we're working behind the scenes on something new. Memberstack version 2. There is a developer beta. If you go to memberstack.com/developer-program, you'll be able to go to this page. There's a little video from Tyler, who's our head of engineering, also co-founder, amazing guy, and you'll be able to get early access to this new version if you fill out this form here. It's amazing. Like, I've been seeing what's going on behind the scenes, and it's incredible. Let me show you a little bit of the code. Oh man, I'm gonna get so fired. But I want to share this. This is it's boiling up inside of me. Okay, so here's the new docs for the new API for version 2 that they're working on. Install Yarn npm so you can it'll be working with React Vue or anything that takes the library. Then there's initialization they had to do. There's also all these methods, member authentication, right? Oh man, this is incredible. So you're able to create members with like JavaScript using this API. Something you can't do with the current front-end API. So yeah, there's so many things. I'll just start scrolling down so you can kind of see what's going on. Like, what? Login member email password, send member reset password email, reset member password, all with JavaScript now. Stuff that you can't do with the front end API right on the current version of Memberstack. And they're working on this every single day. So please, if you are a developer, get in there. It's not production ready yet. I want to put that out there, but it's some powerful stuff, like adding card to, because it's hooked up with Stripe, so you're able to add a card, get member cards, update default card, purchase plan, update plan, replace the plan, cancel a plan. Oh, the power, it's amazing. Anyways, hopefully I don't get fired for this. And catch you later. I hope you enjoy this. Have a great weekend. Bye.